Prompt engineering refers to the process of designing and refining prompts to effectively guide AI models to produce the best outputs. By mastering prompt engineering skills, you can get the most out of language models. In this video, we will discuss 10 important resources on prompt engineering. So let's get started. Number 1. OpenAI's Prompt Engineering Best Practices. If you are venturing into the realm of prompt engineering, OpenAI offers a valuable starting point for beginners. This repository is a treasure trove of best practices, providing you with a wealth of resources to kickstart your journey. This introductory tutorial on prompting lays the groundwork for effective prompt design. It takes beginners on a methodical journey through key techniques, including distinguishing instructions from content, mastering the use of precise descriptive language, establishing the desired output format, comparing zero-shot and one-shot few-shot prompting, focusing on what to do rather than what not to do, leveraging the power of lead-in words. Number 2. LearnPrompting.org. In an era where generative AI has become the hottest buzzword, LearnPrompting.org offers a comprehensive and free guide to harnessing its power. This introductory course is thoughtfully designed to cater to non-technical enthusiasts who might be entirely new to the concept of AI, making it the perfect launchpad for those embarking on their prompt engineering journey. The Learn Prompting team meticulously searched the internet to bring you the best practices and tools, drawing knowledge from the industry leaders such as OpenAI, Brex, and Deloitte. Rest assured, their guides are continually updated to ensure that you're always equipped with the latest information. Number 3. Learn Prompting Discord Server. The Learn Prompting Discord server becomes a catalyst for collaboration, providing opportunities to find potential partners for creative projects. Engage in lively discussions, exchange ideas, and stay updated on the latest trends and developments. Whether you seek inspiration, seek guidance, or simply desire to connect with a community of prompt enthusiasts, Learn Prompting provides a nurturing environment to socialize and forge lasting connections. Join this vibrant ecosystem and unlock the true power of community-driven learning and collaboration. Number 4. Vanderbilt University Prompt Engineering for Chat GPT course. Jules White will introduce you to creating effective prompts for extensive language models during this 3-week online course on Coursera. The only prerequisites are fundamental computer skills, such as using a browser and accessing Chat GPT, which anyone can acquire. Students begin with simple prompts and progress to more complex prompts as they solve problems in any domain. Students will be able to use large language models for a variety of tasks in their job, business, personal life, and education, including writing, summarization, gameplay, planning, simulation, and programming by the end of the course. If you enjoy real university-style lectures, this course is the perfect source for you. Number 5. Prompt Perfect. Unleash the power of prompt optimization with Prompt Perfect, an advanced tool that elevates prompts for a diverse range of language models, including Chat GPT, Midjourney, DALL-E, and Stable Diffusion. With Prompt Perfect's cutting-edge multi-goal optimization, users can tailor the prompt enhancement process to their unique requirements, whether it be faster optimization or concise prompts. Number 6. Awesome Chat GPT Prompts. The Awesome Chat GPT Prompts repository offers a wide selection of prompts that you can leverage with Chat GPT. This valuable resource not only provides existing prompts, but also encourages you to contribute by expanding the list with your own prompts. By utilizing Chat GPT, you have the power to create new and unique prompts that enhance your AI interactions and generate innovative outputs. The repository serves as an inspiration hub, enabling you to explore the possibilities and unleash your creativity when utilizing Chat GPT for prompt-based AI generation. Number 7. Prompt Genie. If you're tired of consistently receiving generic Chat GPT responses, try Prompt Genie. With its magical touch, you can generate super prompts on any subject in an instant, guaranteeing results that truly shine. The Prompt Genie team proudly declares that their tool is the exclusive path to becoming a Chat GPT expert. The only way to know is to take it for a test ride. Excitingly, you can explore its transformative powers for an entire 14 days without spending a penny. However, once the trial ends, a modest subscription fee of $6.99 per month keeps the magic alive. Number 8. PromptBase. PromptBase is a marketplace for purchasing and selling over 100,000 prompts that produce the finest results and reduce API costs. PromptBase is an early market for prompts from Midjourney, Chat GPT, DALL-E, Stable Diffusion, Llama, and Leonardo.ai. If you're skilled at prompt engineering, you can sell your prompts on PromptBase and profit from your prompt engineering abilities. Number 9. Midjourney Prompt Helper. The AI-driven image generating bot from Midjourney is quite powerful. However, it can be difficult to remember all of the various characteristics and stylistic options it provides, unless you have a photographic memory. This is precisely where the Midjourney Prompt Helper comes in handy. This innovative tool prioritizes user-friendliness and accessibility, ensuring an effortless and enjoyable experience for all users. Type in the main idea for your picture to begin. Then tell the Midjourney bot what rules to follow, such as aspect ratio, to change the size of your picture, or chaos to make things more interesting. Once you've fine-tuned your prompt, copy it to the clipboard and execute it in Midjourney. Don't forget to save it to your prompt folder account for future reference. Number 10. Chat GPT Prompt Engineering for Developers course on DeepLearning.ai. Isa Fulford, a member of the technical staff of OpenAI, who also contributed to the OpenAI cookbook, and Andrew Ng, founder of DeepLearning.ai, have put together a collection of 9 video-based courses that is both thorough and good. The courses teach prompt engineering for coders. There is a requirement for registration. Despite the fact that it is geared towards software engineers, anyone may use many of the ideas to directly prompt in playgrounds. A fundamental understanding of Python is recommended for optimal comprehension of the examples. And that's all for today. Now let's hear from you. What excites you the most about prompt engineering? Are there any specific projects or applications you're eager to explore? Share your thoughts and aspirations in the comments below. If you did, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so that you never miss any amazing video from us. Thanks for watching.